Iguana Island Treats serves up a taste of summer with a twist.
All right, small pineapple whip, small tiger blood.
Oh, look at that.
The Shafer family opened this snow-cone and pineapple whip business 9 years ago to teach their youngest son, Brent, the value of hard work.
We started when I was around 15. Shaved ice is something I always, I went and I visited other locations, and I was always pretty infatuated with just eating and treats, and so that's something I wanted to do at a young age, and my parents were very entrepreneurial, so they helped start this company in which we ran together. And yeah, we kind of developed it into one of the leading shaved ice and pineapple whip stands in Tulsa.
It's just wonderful.
The old-fashioned pink pineapple whip is what Iguana Island is famous for.
Whenever you're hot, you can eat it and you feel, I have lived because I have tried pineapple.
You laugh, but you're serious, right? The pineapple whip is a secret family recipe created in Mom Gina's kitchen.
It's kind of like a sorbet. It's creamy, it's light, it's refreshing. We make the whip and then it goes into our machine and it comes out real airy and light. It's really delicious.
It tastes really good in my tummy.
All of the products here are dairy-free and made with real fruits and juices. You'll find the popular pineapple whip and a specialty whip daily.
And strawberry whips and coconut whips, and we mix flavors, and we have fruity fruit today, which is a mixture of watermelon and strawberry and peach.
Iguana Island is also home to the original pineapple whip float.
Pineapple whip float is made with fresh, dull pineapple juice. It's really delicious, and it's poured over our pineapple whip.
If pineapple isn't your passion, you'll also find more than 65 different flavors of snowballs and sugar-free options too.
Our ice is snowballs, the New Orleans style. They're super soft, and we're generous on our syrup, so they're tasty.
My favorite thing is to get the silver fox, which is coconut and vanilla.
I like to get snow cones in their pineapple whip and purple dragon.
I would recommend the pineapple whip because you can't get the pineapple whip at the corner snow cone store. And one thing that really differentiates this place is that they have this outdoor seating with the shade. And when you don't want to get in the car with the kids and the sticky treats and get all over the place or stand outside and melt in the sun, so this is really nice.
Iguana Island Treats, a hot spot when it comes to frozen favorites.
When Mom says we're going to Iguana Island, what is your reaction?
That's my only complaint is there's not one closer to my house. So, yes, definitely worth the drive.
There are 3 Iguana Island locations, but this one at 51st and Memorial in the Fontana Shopping Center is the only one with a drive-thru. I'd like a pineapple whip float, please.
All right, pineapple whip float.
That looks
Thank
delicious.
you.
Thank you. In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.